Hey guys, welcome back to Kanaks kitchen. Today let's prepare this traditional milky rose flavored dessert, very popular in India, which is loved by almost everyone. So without further ado, let's dive right into the recipe. So for this you need to prep up a few things. Let me show you. This is the rose syrup, also known as rose sharbat, easily available in market. This is store bought. Next I've got this 2 to 3 tablespoons of the sabza or the basil seeds. Then here I've got some vermicelli or the semia. You can use this yellow ones, the spiral ones, thin ones, or the broken ones, whichever available to you. Next here I've preset my jelly. This is strawberry flavored jelly. I'm going to cut this into cubes. You can make different colored jelly also for your children. Remove this and set it aside. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Next here I've got pre-boiled, pre-chilled milk, about 2 to 3 cups. I have not added any sugar in it, but if you want your falooda to be extremely sweet, then you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar or the regular sugar to it. So first up, we'll soak in the sabza seeds, add enough water to it and let it get soaked for about 15 to 20 minutes at the room temperature. Meanwhile, we can start boiling the semia. So in a pan, I've added enough water for boiling. Once boiled, add the spiral semia and boil it for about 4 to 5 minutes or as per the packet instructions depending on which semia you're using. But make sure not to overcook it. You can see this is boiled enough. You can make it out by seeing only. It's done enough. I'm going to off the flame and strain it to a colander. So all the things are prepped up. You can see the sabza seeds have swollen enough. They've got this gel-like texture. Next here I've got the semia, the spiral ones and the broken ones also I boiled with little food color. You can also use haldi instead. Now let's start assembling everything in a tall jar, because usually in India it's served in tall jars or mason jars like these. So first up goes in the rose syrup. Add about 2 tablespoons of it, followed by some semia. So a thick layer of semia. Next goes in my favorite 2 tablespoons of sabza or the basil seeds. This is quite refreshing and cooling, especially during summers. So if you like, you can add more of this also. Followed by some jelly cubes. Ooh, they look so beautiful already. You can use different colored jelly also here. And if you like, you can also add an additional layer of fresh fruits. And then I'm going to top it up with the milk. So pour in the milk up to the 3/4 portion. And then goes in a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Today I'm using this vanilla ice cream because I had it in my freezer, but if you want, you can also add some malai kulfi if you're a malai kulfi fan like me. Top it up with some dry fruits, some almonds, pista, cashew, whichever dry fruits you like. Next goes in some tutti frutti and a final garnish of a cherry on top. Ooh, you can see how lovely it's looking. And the way of having is to stir it lightly so that all the things are combined well with each other. Because the milk is not sweetened enough, it will get the sweetness from the rose syrup, from the jelly and the ice cream on top. Lovely. So here's the final product, guys. I love the way it has turned out. Hope you enjoyed. And if yes, please consider liking the video and do let me know what you want to watch next. Until next time, enjoy and bye-bye.